How far does a T-shirt cannon shoot, or how far does a T-shirt gun shoot? Well, this is a complicated question because it's actually not that complicated, okay? I'm messing with you. That determines based on the pressure of CO2 that goes into it. Now, this also depends on the type of tank that you're gonna be using. So we offer some CO2 T-shirt cannons or T-shirt guns that use CO2. And the pressure that's regulated on the CO2 is gonna be how far it shoots. There's many different setups that go into play with this. Now, the general ones that have the CO2 cartridges are the most common, and those, some of them you can turn it up, some of them you can turn it down. But some of those, it depends. They can go anywhere from 50 feet when it's turned way down all the way up to a couple hundred. This really determines on a couple factors, the CO2, but also the T-shirt that's inside, how loosely it's compact, or how tightly it's compact, how far it's jammed in. There's many things that go into play. We have other videos on our channel that talk specifically on this. Now, we also offer nitrogen cannons as well. CO2 typically runs at about 800, give or take a little bit, PSI. Nitrogen can go anywhere from 3,000 to 6,000 PSI. You can imagine how far that shoots. So we do offer nitrogen T-shirt cannons. However, those are custom, those are special built, and we have to have an advisory before you take one because those can be pretty serious. And of course, if you have questions or definitely want one of those, contact us, info@cryofx.com. Leave a comment below, let us know what your intent is. Don't put your personal information there, you'll get blown up by the world. That's when you contact us at info@cryofx.com and let us know. Link in the description. And of course, if you like this video, please like the video, okay? If you found it useful, subscribe. And of course, we'll see you on the next video. Thank you for watching.